Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to swap out this window regulator controller because somebody broke this. So hopefully this is going to be a short video. We're going to start by removing this bottom piece down here. Just twist, open that up. Ew, that needs to be cleaned. But you have a bolt right back there. You have a bolt right back there, and then you have at least one more bolt back here and one more bolt back there. Okay guys, and just like that, out with the old, in with the new. I cleaned up the area down there because it was pretty dirty. I don't know, something was molding there, but I don't know. Cleaned it up, so we're good. But that's how you replace this switch thing, and it works. Cool. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.